Ever wondered who plays a pivotal role in managing land records and tax collection in Pakistan? It's the Numberdar. Cast your mind back to a time when records were kept with pen and paper and taxes were collected directly from the people. The Numberdar was the key figure in this process. In the rural setup of Pakistan, the Numberdar was not just a tax collector or a record keeper, but also a bridge that connected the government with the locals. They were the true representatives of the state, performing their duties without any greed or personal gain. Known for their integrity and honor, the Numberdar was a respected figure in their area. But times change, and with it, the role and reputation of the Numberdar also evolved. So the Numberdar was, and still is, a significant figure in the rural administration of Pakistan. But like everything else, the role of Numberdar has evolved over time. Once a highly respected figure in their locale, the Numberdar was known for executing their duties without any hint of greed. Over the years, their responsibilities and power have undergone significant transformation. From manual record-keeping to digital, the shift has been substantial. This technological transition has both streamlined their role and brought about new challenges. The digital era has demanded them to learn and adapt to new systems, changing the way they work dramatically. Moreover, the introduction of other administrative positions has diluted their role. The Numberdar is no longer the sole representative of the state in their area. This has led to a gradual decrease in their influence and respect, a stark contrast to their stature in the past. Thus, the Numberdar has had to adapt and evolve with the changing times. Criticism has been mounting over the years, with allegations of corruption and inefficiency marring their image. Many believe that these issues stem from a lack of proper training, which leaves Numberdar ill-equipped to handle the complexities of their roles. These challenges, however, have not gone unnoticed. Efforts are underway to rectify the situation, with measures being taken to provide Numberdar with the necessary training and resources. This includes workshops and training programs aimed at enhancing their skills and knowledge. Simultaneously, initiatives are being taken to tackle corruption, with stricter regulations and increased transparency in their operations. In spite of the challenges, the Numberdar continues to play a crucial role in Pakistan's rural administration. Their story is a testament to the resilience